Hi guys, Lindsay, and today I have 150 watt DC inverter. This is a power converter, DC to AC, and I'm gonna hook this up. I'm gonna show you how it works. Yeah, this goes into the cigarette lighter part right there. This going right here, and then we can see that this is it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put my phone to charge. So let me just go ahead and plug up my phone charger to it to hook up your television, your machine, your blow dryer, any little device that you can use that would work around that wattage. Yeah, and there are indeed a lot of different devices we can use like this. So if it happens that you have a blender, you can also buy one of these and hook up your blender in your car. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn on and so I just turn on the ignition, and if we look here on the phone, we can see that the device is charging. We can see that the light is on at the top, and also you can see that the light is on here, the green light. I don't know if you're seeing it. There it is. You can see the green light is on there. So this is a nice inverter to have, a very useful thing. We can hook up our blender inside our car. We can charge our phone like this. We can hook up external speaker. We can also hook up via the cigarette lighter charger. This is 150 watt, and you know, this is awesome. This version is 12 volts to AC, 220V. You can also get this in also 110V, which is 110 current, which is the current that the United States is currently using. In the UK, it would be this version, 4 to 20 volts. I hope that this video was helpful. I mean, you can use this to do a lot of things. If you notice, we have a USB port jack right here. We can hook up, as I said, a blow dryer. We can hook up, for ladies, a hair dryer. We can hook up our blender. We can hook up a small television that is using below this wattage. We can also hook up our machine for guys. We can hook up external speakers, and when you're cleaning your car, you can use different equipment that you can hook up to this inverter than to try and hook it up directly to your battery. So again, this video is useful to you, and I would like you guys to go right ahead, hit the subscribe button, and also like this video. I'm Lens, and I hope that this video was helpful. I'm out. Subscribe.